Hi and welcome to one of my first YouTube courses. I'm David Fitzpatrick, used to be an MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Did a lot of training work, now do a lot of engineering work and in Azure. And of course, AI. I used to teach beginners a lot and now I'm thinking, okay, what can I do to make beginners really understand what AI is, and we can do it with Microsoft Foundry because that's cool. We will start this time. I will do a day 1 and a day 2, or a week 1 or a week 2. Maybe it's better, and we'll just see how this course evolves. Okay. So Microsoft Foundry, what is it? We need to know that first. I might be thinking, yeah, what is AI? Most people know what AI is. However, I will teach you more as we are going along. So it's a little bit reverse. We start with building something and then we explore what AI is and what can it do for you. So I hope you agree with that. You can do it. And if not, just don't click any further, don't watch any further, but I hope you do. Now, what we will do today or this week, we will create a Foundry resource. I'll explain to you what that is. We create a project. You might be thinking, oh, I know what a project is. We choose a model. Maybe you don't know. We deploy the model. I think that's pretty well known. Playground, it's very interesting. I don't mean the playground with the slides, I mean something else. And we do add instructions. So that's what we're going to do today. So we're already going to explore the capabilities with AI. But what is this Microsoft Foundry? Well, Microsoft Foundry it's a unified platform on Azure to start building AI, customizing AI, manage AI solutions and agents. So if you have some kind of use case project that you want to do, Foundry is the place to be. And it is something that Microsoft is pushing. So if you start looking at the AI 103, the engineering, you'll see Foundry. So why do we want to use Microsoft Foundry? It's all in one place. It builds faster. You are enterprise ready. It's scalable and you can collaborate together. So it's really the Microsoft way of starting saying, okay, we want an AI solution, then Foundry is one of the things to do. And don't think it's hard. You can actually do this as a beginner. Yes, it's a learning curve, but you can. So the core components, and we'll get into this. We have a resource, an Azure resource that provides the compute storage and services. So you'll actually have something in Azure. You have the project, that's your workspace that you can make use for code, that's there, data and everything else. Models. Now, many people are a bit confused what a model is, but it's nothing much more than a computer program that has learned from lots and lots of data, and it can answer questions, create content, and solve problems. So it is important which model do you want to use. Then we have the playground, which we can connect and we can test our model out. Is it what we want? Then we have data. That is what do you give an AI to learn from? This could be your company data. This could be PDF from your store that sells things like scooters. That's all data. And then the crew of it all, you can build and deploy AI agents, and those are like little men that can actually make decisions based on what you give them, so they can be autonomous. So that's the video number 1. I hope you enjoyed it. I will go into video number 2, in which we're actually going to build something. Yeah. So hopefully you stick with me and see you then.